This is science. I'm gonna come join you guys. I love the science stuff, so never mind. I'll come join. I'm not tossing it over. I'm running over to join you too. And they're putting on blue gloves. Maybe I shouldn't have done this.
Moral support. You wanna get one on there?
Does that work? Okay.
It's like Michael Jackson.
I don't want to show my dance moves off just yet.
Jesse Miller here with us this morning for our Chemist Corner. Jesse, good morning.
Good morning. How are we?
We are good.
All right.
Well, I'm good. How are you guys?
I'm doing good.
Great.
First day back from vacation, so I'm adequate at best.
Oh, well.
Well, there we go.
Another day in the life, right?
All right, Jesse, what do we got gloves on, so we're doing something messy, I'm assuming.
That's right. And, you know, it's getting close to Halloween, so, you know, every time I think Halloween, I think slime and things like that. So I thought I'd make some slime this morning and talk about polymers briefly so you understand what it is. So slime that we're going to make here in a minute is actually a polymer. There's a polymer called polyvinyl alcohol that we're using now. You might ask yourself, what is a polymer? Okay, what exactly is a polymer? Okay, we hear about it all the time. You know, you got all these man-made materials: nylon, rayon, PVC, styrofoam. Yes, very good.
Way to go, Cynthia.
Polyethylene.
That iPad's working this morning.
So, you know, what exactly is a polymer? And if you break it down, poly meaning many.
Sure.
And then this in chemistry we use mer a lot to denote a unit. So, for instance, let's say I had 10 Drews.
Dear God.
Mer, okay? And if I was to somehow able to link all of these Drews together, I'd have a poly Drew. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So, like, you have ethylene, and you're able to link these units, these ethylene units together, and you get these big, long strings, okay, of these macromolecules. Like DNA is a macromolecule, so is RNA, cholesterol, all these things. These big, long macromolecules. So, if you string a whole bunch of you guys together, you'd be the poly morning crew, right? You know, that's basically what it is. So, PVA, what's that?
So that's gonna be our Halloween costume.
There you go. So PVA, it's a polymer, and this one is dissolved in water.
Okay.
And you can see it's a liquid. Okay, and a lot of times when you make these polymers, you'll take two liquids and you'll mix them together, and one of them is an activator, so to speak. In this case, the polymer is already made and is dissolved in water. And what we're going to do is we're going to use borax. Right now, if you want to think of this as like a bowl of spaghetti, these long molecules are in the water, and when the spaghetti's in the water, it kind of slides over itself and it's able to move freely and things like that. What we're going to do is we're going to pour borax in. That's going to cause cross-linking between these long polymers, and that'll start to solidify it. The more borax we put it in, the more solid it gets. So we want to put in just the right amount so that it's still kind of gooey. So we're gonna pour. This is about a 5-to-1 ratio. So I got about 500 mils here. We'll put about 100 mils in here. Borax, you can get it. You can get it at any store. It's and you do make a 4% solution, so it'd be 4 grams per 100 grams, or 4 ounces per 100 ounces. What color? Choose your poison.
I want blue slime.
All right, so go ahead and put some put some blue in there.
How much?
Okay, just a few drops. Oh, that's enough.
Sorry.
Okay. No, I was going to say that when we were so anyway, you can make. It's hard to get polyvinyl alcohol. Teachers can get this pretty easily. You can order it on the internet. But you can make similar to this with Elmer's glue and borax. It's just a little bit thicker. This stuff is a little bit nicer. So now we're going to pour this in.
Got about 30 seconds. So
it's okay. That's good. All right, so we'll go ahead and mix that. Somebody wearing a glove.
Go for it.
Go for it, Lisa.
With small hands.
You do
it. Do it, Lisa.
Just
mix.
Mix.
Just kind of grab it, and there.
Oh, there it is.
Wow, that's really cool. That's pretty slime.
Yeah, and then you pull that up, and you can see.
Slime. Oh, it feels wet. It feels.
Yeah, and so the more borax you put in it, the thicker it'll get.
Cool.